everyone. Today's seminar topic is all about stack and queue. First, we'll start with stack. Definition of stack: a stack is a linear data structure which follows the principle called LIFO, which means last in, first out, which means last inserted element will be removed first. Operations are push, pop, and pick. Next is array representation of stack. Array representation of stack. In array representation, a stack is implemented by using an array and a variable called top. Top stores the index of the last element. Initially top is equal to -1. When we push an element, top increases by 1. When we pop an element, top decreases by 1. When stack is full, it is called overflow. When stack is empty, it is called underflow. Next is linear list representation of stack. When in a linear list representation, stack is implemented by using nodes. Next is node consists of data and a pointer. The last element is represented by the head node. We push to insert the beginning of an element. We pop to remove the last element. Next is applications of stack. It is used in there are many applications such as functions calls and recursion, undo and redo operations. Next is expression evolution and representing a string. Next is queue. Next is infix. Next is expressions. First is infix. In infix, the operator is in the between of the operands. For example, a plus b. Next is prefix. In prefix, the operator is at the end of the operands. For example, a, b plus. And in postfix, the operator is at the beginning of the operands. For example, plus a, b. Next is queue. Definition of queue. Queue is a linear data structure which follows the principle called FIFO, means first in, first out. Means the first element will be removed, which means the element which is inserted first will be removed first. Operands are in queue, dequeue, front, rear. In queue means inserting an element, dequeue means removing an element, rear means the last element, and front means the first element. Array representation of queue. In an array representation of queue, a queue implements by using an array and two variables, front and rear. In queue, adds an element in rear, and the queue removes an element in front. The limitation is that it is a wastage of space. Next is types of queue. First is simple queue. In simple queue, the insertion starts from the rear and removed from the front. Next is wastage of storage space, and is a circular queue. In circular queue, the rear is connected to the front and efficient memory, and it solves the problem of wastage of space. Next is dequeue. In dequeue, we can increase insert and delete. The insertion and deletion is done at the both front and rear. There are two types: input restricted dequeue and output restricted dequeue. Thank you.